Okay, let's talk about some things you should never, ever put on your face. You might be accidentally messing up your skin with stuff you have right at home. It all comes down to something called the acid mantle. This is your skin's built-in shield. This shield keeps your skin's pH in a really specific sweet spot. It's naturally a bit acidic. And get this, it's covered in friendly microbes that help create this protective environment. Think of it like fertile soil for a garden. You want to keep it healthy, not kill everything. So what messes up this delicate balance? Let's check out some common kitchen skincare myths. First on the list, baking soda. It has a super alkaline pH of 9, which is really bad news. It's just way too harsh and strips that protective acid mantle right off your skin. Now, on the other extreme, you've got undiluted apple cider vinegar. It's way too acidic. I mean, it's so strong, it can kill grass. You definitely don't want that on your face, right? And speaking of acidic stuff, watch out for lemon, lime, and bergamot oil, especially in the sun. Okay, now for some harsh chemicals that can do more harm than good. Things like rubbing alcohol and hydrogen peroxide, they kill all the bacteria, even the good stuff. As Dr. Berg says, the more you try to sterilize your face, the sicker your skin will actually get. You also got to be careful with some essential oils. They can just be way too strong for your face. But what about actual skin treatments? Well, sometimes even those can backfire. Take topical steroids. Sure, they might reduce inflammation at first, but they can thin out your skin over time. They basically shut down your skin's own defenses, which can cause all sorts of problems. Same goes for scrubbing your face too much. You're literally scraping off that good fertile soil. Also, watch out for hidden dangers like hair dye, chlorine, and especially fragrances in your makeup. So the big takeaway is this: healthy skin is not sterilized skin. It's a living thing. Your real job is just to protect that natural acid mantle and all those good microbes. So it makes you wonder, right? Is that squeaky clean feeling actually the enemy of healthy skin?